we have the number 8. The number 8 is 1 inch or 25 millimeters. This is the number 8 so far. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna stop right here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and go to the number 7, but before I do, I'm gonna do a 360 so you see what the number 8 looks like. Number 7 guard, this is 7/8 inches or 22 millimeters. The lever is at the longest length. Number 7. Number 6, 3/4 inches or 19 millimeters. Lever is at the longest length. Here we have the number 6. I'm going to do a full turnaround so you get a general idea of what a number 6 guard will look like. Here we have number 5. Number 5 is 5/8 or 16 millimeters at the longest length. So this is a number 5, and here's the full 360. Number 4, 1/2 inch or 13 millimeters. This is the number 4, and here's the full 360. And here we have the number 3. This is 3/8 inches or 10 millimeters. This right here is a number 3, and here's the full 360. I'll first do the 2 at the longest length on the lever, and then I'll bring it down to, I'll keep the number 2 on and bring it down as close as possible with the lever head. This is a number 2 at the lever at its longest length. I'm going to bring it down to a 2 at its shortest length. This is a number 2 at its shortest length. Here's a full 360.
Here we have no guard on the clippers, and the lever is all the way down, or all the way closed. Again, this right here is no guard on the clippers. And now we're going into a head shave with razor. And here's a 360 of a head shave with a razor. I hope this helps you out.